హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, దిస్ ఇస్ ధృవి అకాడమిక్ ఛానల్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఛానల్. ఇందులో ఎడ్యుకేషన్కి సంబంధించిన వీడియోస్ అన్నీ అప్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అండ్ సపోర్ట్ మై ఛానల్. మీరు కనుక నా ఛానల్ ఫస్ట్ టైం వాచ్ చేస్తే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. సబ్స్క్రైబే కాదు, లైక్ కూడా చేయండి. లెట్స్ బిగిన్ అవర్ క్లాస్. ఈరోజు టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు లెర్న్ అబౌట్ సిక్స్త్ క్లాస్ సెకండ్ లెసన్ మ్యాగ్నెట్, ప్లేయింగ్ విత్ ద మ్యాగ్నెట్. లెసన్లో మనం చూస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్ బిట్స్ అనేవి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. Let's begin our class. How many poles does each magnet have? How many poles does each magnet have? It's A 3, B 1, C 2 or D 4. Which is the right answer? Its answer is each magnet have 2 poles. This is the right answer, C. Next, in olden days, sailors used to find direction by suspending a piece of A wood, or B it's a cloth, or C stone, or D it's a natural magnet. Which is the right answer? In olden days the sailor used to find direction by suspending a piece of it's a natural magnet. This is D is the right answer. Like poles, is it A attract, or C it attract and repel, B it's a repel, D none. Which is the right answer? Like poles, it's always repel. Repel is the right answer. They repel each other. Which poles attract in a magnet? Is it A like poles, or B unlike, or both unlike and like, and D none? Which is the right answer? It's a which poles attract in a magnet? Always unlike poles attract in a magnet. This is the right answer. Next, magnet is a dash magnet. Is it a natural or artificial, or C covering, or it's a D induced? Magnet is it's a natural magnet. A is the right answer. These should be kept away from cassettes, mobile televisions, music systems, compact disc and the computer. Is it A plastic, B wood, C wire, or D magnet? Which is the right answer? It's a answer is D magnet. We should keep away from this mobile television and music system. This is the right answer. Next, magnets attracts only dash objects. They attracts no, is it A non-magnet, or B it's a magnetic, or C plastic, or D wood? Which is the right answer? Magnet always attracts its magnet only. This is the right answer, B. Example for ferromagnetic substance. Is it A steel, B rock, C cloth, or D plastic? Which is the right answer? Example for ferromagnetic substance is A steel is the right answer. Among the following, the natural magnet is A it's a gold stone, or B it's a rock stone, or C it's a lodestone, or D none. Its answer is among the natural magnet is natural magnet. We know everybody that it's a lodestone is the it's a natural magnet. Among the following, which is not attracted by magnet? Is it A gold, or B iron, C nickel, D cobalt? Which is the right answer? మ్యాగ్నెట్కి అట్రాక్ట్ కానిది ఏదంటే ఇట్స్ అ గోల్డ్. ఏ ఈజ్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. అట్రాక్ట్ కానిది అని అడుగుతున్నారు, సో ఇట్ విల్ బి అ గోల్డ్. ద ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్ యూస్ టు డిటెక్ట్ డైరెక్షన్ is it A iron bar, or B gold, or C compass, or magnetic substances? The instrument used to detect direction. మనకి డైరెక్షన్స్ చూడాలంటే we always used a compass కదా. Like sailors, ships, in aeroplanes we use a compass. Dash is an example for non-magnetic material. Is it A paper, or B iron, or C steel, nickel, D? Which is the right answer? They are asking for non-magnetic means it's a paper. Paper అనేది magnet కాదు, so it's a non-magnet. Next, unlike poles, is it A attract, or B repel, or C both A and B, or D none? Which is the right answer? Actually, unlike poles, always they attract. A is the right answer. Next, freely suspended magnet shows A it's a pair property, or B pole property, it's a induction property, or D it's a directive property. Freely suspend magnet shows it's a directive property. This is the right answer. The surest test of the magnetism is it a repulsion between poles, or B it's a directive property, or C attraction between poles, D none. Which is the right answer? It's the surest test of magnetism is a directive property. This will be a right answer. Next, aluminum is a magnet, or B magnetic material, or C it's a non-magnetic material, or D none. Which is the right answer? Aluminum is it's a non-magnetic material. It's not a magnetic material. It's a non-magnetic material. Next, scientists dash used iron stone to win enemies. Is it a Newton, or B Bohr? It's a C Archimedes, or D Kepler. Which is the right answer? It's a C. Scientists used iron stone to win enemies is Archimedes. This is the right answer. C is the right answer. Next, which of the following is the correct match? Like 1, 2, 3. 1 is like poles, and 2 is unlike poles. 3 is artificial magnet, and 4 is iron attracted by a magnet. And A is induction, and B is a repel, and C is a strong power, and D is a attract. Which is the right answer? It's a like poles. Like poles means it's a like poles. They always repel. This will be, and unlike poles will be attract. So 2 matches with D. Next, artificial magnets, it's a induction. A iron attracted by magnet by strong power. So A is the right answer. Which of the following is correct match? Is it 1 compass, or 2 earth also, 3 north south poles, and 4 gold? A is magnet, B is non-magnet, and C is magnetic needle, and D is a natural magnet. Which is the right answer? It's a compass. Compass is it's a magnetic needle, right? Compass అనేది it's a magnetic needle. So C will be the answer. Next, earth is also it's a natural magnet. So 2 matches with the D. Next, north and south poles or magnets. Gold is a అందరికి తెలిసిందే. Gold is a non-magnet. So it will be answer will be a B will be the right answer. Next, identify the horseshoe magnet in the following. దేన్ని horseshoe magnet అని అంటారు? Is it A south and north pole, that is a bar magnet, and B it's a ring magnet, and C it's a disc magnet, or D this is the horse magnet? D అనేది right answer. So this is the right answer. Horse magnet అనేది ఈ సింబల్ని horse magnet అని అంటారు. Next, in the above our diagram, the north and the south poles are A attract, or B repel, C neither attract nor repel, D none. Which is the right answer? In the above diagram, they are showing south north and south north. So the north and the south poles, they attract. This is the right answer. Examples for ferromagnetic substance. Is it A plastic, B gold, C water, or D steel? They are asking for ferromagnetic substance. So D steel is the ferromagnetic substance. Next one. Dash property of magnets is used to make magnetic compacts. Is it A pair, or B pole, C directional, or D induction? Which is the right answer? It's a dash property of magnets used to make magnetic compacts. It's a directional. We use for a directional. Which of the following is a correct match? A is 1 it's a lodestone, or 2 it's a ring magnet, and 3 nail, and 4 compass. In the option A, it's a north-south direction, and B magnets, and C man-made, and D magnetic materials. It's one lodestone. It matches with the magnet, right? This will be a right answer. And ring magnet, it's a man-made. Next, Nail. Nail is a it's a magnetic material. It matches with D. And compass. Compass is shown north south direction. So it will answer will be A. This is the right answer. In which case magnets attract together? A north south or south north, or B south north or the north south poles, or C north south or north south, and D this is the north south and the north south pole. Which is the right answer? It will be they are asking they attract together, so C will be the right answer. North south and north south, this is the attract in this case, right? Next, we want to find the exact direction at a place. To find this, we can look at the rising sun at that place, and then our face in east direction, on our left will be north. We can use a magnetic compass and find the direction. We can find the direction by looking at its dial, or see both the above methods give us an exact knowledge of the direction. So D, none of the above is correct. Which is the right answer? Its answer is, we want to find the exact direction means we can use a magnetic compass. We use a magnetic compass for a direction, like aeroplanes లో, మన షిప్స్ లో, sailors అయితే ఈ మ్యాగ్నెట్ కంపాస్ అనేది యూస్ చేస్తుంటారు. సో ఇట్స్ బి విల్ బి ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, one end of magnetic needle one end of magnetic needle in the magnetic compass is colored red. This end of the needle does not always point towards. Is it A south, B west, is C east, D both B and C? Which is the right answer? It's a one end of magnetic needle in the magnetic compass is colored red. This end the needle does not always pointed towards. Which answer is both. Its answer is both B and C, west and east. This is the right answer. It does not always point towards west and east. This is the right answer. Next one. It's a maglev trains. Is it floats above the guideway, or to experiences very friction, or C. It's a third one, does not require wheels, or A 1 only, or B 1 and 3, and C 3 only, D 1 2 3. Which is the right answer? It's a maglev train. It shows its flow above the guideway and experience very less frictions and does not require wheels. So D is the right answer. Next, maglev trains work on the principle that A poles repel each other, and unlike poles attract each other. Both A and B, and D none of this. Which is the right answer? Its answer is both A and B. C is the right option. Like poles repel each other, unlike poles attract each other. So this is the C is the right answer. What is used in maglev trains instead of wheels? A, it's a bar magnet, or B, it's a horseshoe magnet, or C, natural magnet, or electromagnets. In this maglev train, instead of wheels, they use the electromagnet. This is the right answer. Next, assertions. Tennis ball attracts towards a magnet, or reason. Tennis balls is a not magnetic object. A, both A and or are true, and R is a correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not a correct explanation of A. C, A is a true, but R is a false. And D, A is a false, but R is a true. Which is the right answer? Its answer is, ఏంటంటే టెన్నిస్ బాల్స్ అట్రాక్ట్ టువర్డ్స్ ద మ్యాగ్నెట్ అనే ఇట్స్ అజరేషన్. ఇట్స్ రాంగ్. సో ఏ అనేది రాంగ్. నెక్స్ట్, టెన్నిస్ బాల్స్ ఈజ్ ఏ నాన్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. అందరికి తెలుసు టెన్నిస్ బాల్ అనేది ఇట్స్ ఏ మ్యాగ్నెట్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఎ మ్యాగ్నెట్, ఇట్స్ ఎ నాన్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. సో ఇట్స్ ఆన్సర్ వేస్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ ఫాల్స్ అండ్ బి ఈజ్ ట్రూ. సో ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ డి. దిస్ విల్ బి అ రైట్ ఆన్సర్. Next one. Assertion. Maglev is the train which does not require wheels. A reason, maglev train experiences very less friction. Is it A, both A and R are true, or is the correct explanation of A, and B, both A and R are true but R is not a correct explanation of A, and C, A is a true but R is a false, and D, A is a false but R is a true. Which is the right answer? Its answer is B. Both A and R are true but R is not a correct explanation of A. Reason అనేది magnetron experience very less friction అని ఉంది కదా. It's not a reason, it's not a correct explanation for A. So its answer will be a B. Next one, acceleration. The north poles of a freely suspended magnet points towards a geographic north, and the reason using pieces of iron we can make artificial magnet. Is it A, both A and R are true? R is a correct explanation of A, and B, both A and R are true but R is not a correct explanation of A, and C, A is a true but R is a false, and D, A is a false but R is a true. Which is the right answer? Its answer is the north pole of a freely suspended magnet points towards geographical north. It's right. And next, using pieces of iron we can make artificial magnet. So both A and R are true. Ante acceleration and reasons are true but R is not, it is not a correct explanation of A. ఏంటి ఈ రీజన్ కరెక్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కాదు దానికి. సో ఇట్స్ ఆన్సర్ విల్ బి B. B is the right answer. Next, statement 1 and statement 2. Statement 1, a compass is a device used to find direction, and statement 2, electromagnet is used to make a magnetic compass. A, statement 1 is correct while statement 2 is incorrect, and B, statement 2 is correct while statement 1 is incorrect, and C, both statements are correct, and D, both statements are incorrect. Which is the right answer? It's a compass is a device used to find direction. So A is the right. And next one, electromagnet is used to make a magnetic compass. So it's wrong. 2 అనేది electromagnet is used to make a magnetic compass అనేది wrong. So its answer is A. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. So this will be your answer. And next one, statement magnet. Statement 1, magnet is a naturally occurring mineral, or statement 2, magnet attracts magnetic material but the force of attraction is weak. Or A, statement 1 is correct while statement 2 is incorrect, statement 2 is correct while statement 1 is incorrect, both statements are correct, and indeed both statements are incorrect. Which is the right answer? Where a magnet is a natural occurring mineral, the first one statement is right, and whereas magnet attracts magnetic material but the force of the attraction is weak. So both the statements are correct. Both the statements are correct, and C is the right answer. This will be a right answer. Next, choose the correct method for arranging 3-bar magnets. 3-bar magnets arrange, okay, which is the correct among this A, B, C and D? It's a 3-bar magnets, north south. C is the correct option. It's a north south and north south and north south. This will be a correct 3-bar magnets arranging method. This is the right answer. So C will be a right answer. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel.